Sorry? Packet?
That's it. And fries.
Anything else?
Thanks so much.
That's good. Apple cheese. Some cheese?
Yeah.
Some pickles or something?
Yeah, everything. This.
This one for the lettuce. Sorry.
Yeah. It's okay.
Lettuce. Samaya?
Yeah.
Yes, hello. Some fries?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Thank
Good
you.
day. You're welcome.
See you.
You too. Yes, please.
Chicken burger.
Chicken burger. Display.
Yeah.
Some fries. Nothing else?
So that's it. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Can I just get 2 orders of fries?
So no fries. Bowl.
Hi. Do you want a grilled chicken sandwich? One grilled chicken sandwich. Please. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Fries, chicken.
Fries and chicken. Anything else?
Just one chicken's fine. No, like one, only one chicken.
Only one.
Yeah, I only need one chicken. So you can leave the other one in. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
Have a good day. Yes, please. The chicken. Yes. Anything else?
Only fries. Mas, itu si bocil jatuhin kasih aja fresh aja.
Yeah.
Kasih aja.
Anything else? Yes. Welcome. There you go. The chicken.
And
Is the same brisket? Is it a brisket, right? Next, please. Anything else?
it's a little
The chicken biscuit.
put them on the same one.
Chevron.
And then just put the 2 chicken breasts in that other one. And carry all that.
And some too. Or just separate.
No, yeah, just put it in separate.
And 2 more chicken.
You got honey, hey?
Honey, yes.